Can she knock this one down?
What were you saying?
Get out of here. Get out of here. What kind of shenanigans is that? What's up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? You already know who it is. AcesBlackstar in the building, back with another video. Today is my mom's birthday, so we are going bowling. We got down in the back. We got Jelly over here driving, and we are on the way. So just wanted to tune in. It's going to be an eventful day today. It's actually been an eventful whole entire weekend. If you didn't see the car reveal, that's going to be linked right here. Go ahead and check that out. But if you like this content, go ahead and like it, share it, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All I want to do is motivate, inspire individuals to get out and live life, y'all. Like, you know, you only one you, but everybody is so busy trying to be everybody else or everything else. Like, be organic. And if you don't know what your organic self is, get out here and figure it out. Like, you have to go through the trials and tribulations. Don't mind my shiny face. I got some eczema issues going up because of this whole weather changing and pollen and allergies, and it's really getting on my nerves. So I got like gloss everywhere. I look super glossy, not even talking about the diamonds, just talking about all the you know. But anyway, I'll see y'all when we get to the bowling alley. Let's get it. AC gang. We made it. Time to get in here. Show these boys how to bowl. Show them how to bowl. Show them how to bowl. Yes, sir. Man was knocked out in the back. Jeez, it's cold out here. Let me get in here real quick. Happy birthday! It's played out. Everybody play. What's the ace? The ace of spades. When we put it together, it's a spade. That's not a spade.
Excuse me, sweetheart.
How you doing today?
Alright.
Fantastic. I got. Say what's up to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Talk to YouTube, man.
What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on? We're gonna have to bowl today. I'm about to serve my big brothers. Show them that the big brother, the little brother right here, is running things out here. Y'all see real soon. Real soon.
Somebody say, "Hey, what's your alarm clock?" My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, you know, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, this your boy Young Cash giving shout out to AcesBlackstar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
Check out the premises. Me and my little brother out here. see what's going on. Badass kids running around here. All these badass kids running around here. Nah, I'm just playing. There's a lot of kids that they mean well. Our generation, most of the generation just have bad parenting. And then some kids just don't listen. But it starts when they're young, so you can only blame the parents for no structure. Other than that, they just some bad kids. It's kind of packed today though. It ain't ever usually this packed. This is Stars and Strikes. I don't know if y'all ever been here. Checking out the premises. But we gonna tune back in once we actually start bowling and they start losing. I'm gonna show y'all how we get down in a bowling alley. Let's go. All right, I'm about to bowl real quick. We starting off 0-0. Ain't nobody got no points. Let's see.
Come on, Jay. I gotta go again? No, y'all know I'm going.
Yeah. That was the first go around. You know, you got to get the practice in. So that was the practice. Strike? Almost. Almost. She just be throwing it. Bro. Look at her complaining about the nails. You can't complain about the nails when your first score was good. Yeet. Grandma got a spare out here. Smooth roll. That was a smooth roll. His roll is always to the left, so he gotta stand more to the right so he can get it in the middle. Now I'm at 15, so I'm tied with Nuke. Jelly is up. Lil Marvin is 13. AC is maybe 12, 13, something like that. Nice. Yeet. That's how you do it, boy. You can see the score up here too. Gotta get another one. That was too many drinks, huh?
No, only have one.
Only had one?
Only have one.
He ain't hit nothing? I'm telling you, bro, if you take the coat off, bro, you're gonna have more range. You're gonna have more range and motion, man. Yeah, it's a wrap.
I don't know what happened on that one.
It's a wrap. Lil Mervin. There you go. Can she knock this one down?
What were you saying?
Get out of here. Get out of here. What kind of shenanigans is that? All right, so we had a nice little game. I lost. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I lost, but it wasn't by much. It was like 6 or 7, 8 or 9, something like that. But we got another time. Next time, we'll make it happen. Jelly over there, she won the first game. She the one who beat me. A couple points. Like I said, a couple points. It wasn't too much. But we had fun. That's all it's about. They're kicking us off the lanes. But hey. It is what it is. Like I said, you got to get out here and have fun with the people that you love, the people that love you. Sometimes just grinding all the time, it ain't worth it. So get out here, live life, have fun. Let's get it.
Check it for an AC, hand on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most. Bring that over here, go and bend it over. Check it for an AC, hand on the shoulder. Blackstar, make a real, don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC, baby, go and do the most.